Hello, everybody. That was from my mama. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. And welcome to episode 3 of the Rakshabandhan series that is going on my channel. I hope you didn't miss the first 2 episodes that I will leave a link to them in the description box below. Be sure to check them out. So, हम लोगों ने राखी बना ली, अपनी स्किन को तैयार कर लिया। अब बारी है एक राखी की थाली बनाने के लिए। मैं तो हमेशा अपने भाई के लिए राखी की थाली डेकोरेट करती हूँ और मुझे बहुत मजा आता है। सो दिस टाइम आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग unconventional kind of. I came up with an awesome idea that I'm going to share with you guys today. But before jumping into the video, please hit that subscribe button. Please support me. I'm requesting you guys, please support me. And I have a reason for you to support me. I'm going to do a giveaway as soon as we hit 1k subscribers. And in that giveaway, there's going to be something for a majority of you. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Now we can get into the video. Let's go. So you must have seen this Thali cum platter in my DIY Rakhi, the episode 1 of this series. So this time I thought of doing something different and unconventional than the regular. So you're making a square shaped thali for this Rakhi. So for this Rakhi thali, you will need a cardboard sheet and I cut it in a square shaped. And then I colored it with some red acrylic color. You can go with any color of your choice. So once your thali is fully colored, it's time to decorate it. So I went in with these half pearls and I plan to stick it all around the thali. And I also got some big sized beads. So I'm sticking it with the help of Mod Podge. You can also use Fevicol. So I stick these large size beads on all the 4 corners of the thali. And then I found these heart-shaped pearls in my khazana. So I decided to stick them in the middle of each side. And then I started sticking the half pearls all around the thali. So I won't bore you with me sticking the pearls. So I'm going to fast forward it. So this is the final result after sticking the pearls. Now you can stop here, but I went ahead to amp it up a little bit more. So I found these round shaped mirrors and I decided to stick them in each corner of the thali. Then I went ahead with these diamond shaped mirrors and I stuck them in the center of the thali, making a flower kind of design. I decided to finish it off with a golden pearl just right in the center of the thali. And here your thali is ready. I just put some diyas and put the roli and chawal in it. And it's different from the traditional गोल थाली जो हमेशा हर हाउसफुल में देखने को मिलती है and it's handmade, so it's very special. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you liked the thali we made. And if you decide to recreate this thali, please click a picture and share it with me on Instagram or my Facebook page. Both the handles are right now on the screen. And I will see you soon in episode 4 of this Rakshabandhan series that is going to be out tomorrow. So stay tuned and hit the bell icon that is just beside the subscribe button, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and share it with as many people as you can because DIY सबके लिए helpful होती है. थोड़ी सबकी मदद कर देनी चाहिए, मेरी भी मदद कर दो, थोड़ा सा मेरा चैनल प्रमोट करेगा. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.